Helga, a 1989 TALBOT Express van. I will show you the inside of today.
So this is our lounge, bedroom, dining room, everything area. The front seats flattened to make the bed, so we'll show you the bed in a separate video. And there is another bed up here, so these slats slide out. So technically it sleeps four, but we're much more comfortable down on the bottom, and it's about a queen size bed. So yeah, we have a little table here, which you can pop up. This is our dinner spot, and then there's another hole in the floor over here, so we can change it for movie location here for watching movies at night. This is what our bed looks like, so super spacious. I mean, obviously we have a mattress topper, but I've just packed it away. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, loads of space on the bed. This is our full kitchen. So we have our double burner stove, we've got a grill, and we've got a little oven, and also plenty of storage all in these cupboards for pots and pans, vegetables, cutlery, and we've got a coffee cabinet up here and our control panel, so this is our water reader and everything like that. Okay, so we have our heater device over here, which is powered on gas, all of our fruit storage in these bits and bobs, and our hidden cocktail bar, which we love, also used for tin storage in the back. We've got a cupboard over here, I don't know if you can see in it, which is, you can see Craig's neat clothes, Lauren's messy clothes. We keep food, we've got our boiler up here with more food storage, and our sink at the back. So we've got a lovely little sink, we've got a fridge, which is a three-way fridge, which works on gas, 12 volt and plug-in. Okay, this is our bathroom ensuite deluxe room. There's not really space to show you, but we have got a chemical loo, we've got the shower up here, a little light as well. It's got everything you need. This is the privacy
shield. See you later, Lauren.